gas range, you'll carefully open the top glass cover. Turn the knob counterclockwise. I put it on high, and then I turn the spark to start it. To turn it off, turn it clockwise all the way to the right until it goes off. To use the gas oven, you're going to turn your oven to pilot on. Push the knob in while lighting the pilot light below. And while doing that, I was lighting the underside to get that pilot light started. Now, you can turn this to your desired temperature and it'll light up. Turn it off, turn it clockwise to the off position.